welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I want to share with you a more in-depth video on stamping with Sharpies and how you can literally make your own stamping polishes at no additional cost to you. You may already have these items at home. First off, you're going to pick any sharper marker that you want, from bright to dark, whichever one, and correlating nail polishes. They don't have to be exact, just need to be literally just close in the same color family. Pick your stamping plate, your favorite stamper and scraper, and let's get started. First up, also, I wanted to talk about black and white polishes. Also, you can stamp with regular polishes as well. The Wet n Wild does work pretty okay, but you have to work quickly. And you can also use any of the Sharpies with a white background as well, and it will also make it vibrant, but not as vibrant as if you were using a correlating nail polish to the Sharpie. So I have all these little swatch spots on the screen here. I have all of my tools that I'm going to use. And first off, we're going to be taking this bright pink Sharpie here, and I'm just going to take a bright pink polish and stamp with that. So I'm just going to go about my stamping just like regular, and you just put your Sharpie on the plate, you put the polish, swipe down like normal, and I'm just gonna, like I said, just do some swatches to show you guys how vibrant these actually are. And if you're anything like me, I don't want to spend a lot of money on stamping polishes, and I got this huge pack of Sharpies. It was like 24 Sharpies for like, I think I got them on sale for like 12 bucks. And they were colorful, and then I just take my own nail polishes that I already own. And also, you've seen in other tutorials, you guys, that I will take and do rainbow kind of ombres with the Sharpies. This works too with that. Just swipe your scraper in whatever direction you need to go, whatever direction you applied the Sharpie. So from side to side, up or down, or diagonally, if that makes sense. Now the first black polish right there, that was just Wet n Wild, and I didn't work fast enough, so it didn't stamp properly on the mat there. But if you've seen the second swipe with the marker and the black, look how much blacker that is. Like, from now on, that's how I'm gonna stamp with black. I wish there was a white Sharpie, you guys. If there is, let me know because I need that as well. And we're moving on with yellow here, and I just cannot believe how well these actually work together and make some very vibrant stamping polishes and stuff. I had to share this with you guys. I wanted to shed more light. Look how they're stamping on the black there. We're moving on to some green. I'm even stamping over other color nail polish, and they are just, they're beautiful. Definitely need to get you some Sharpies, and well, like I said, you probably already own some, and definitely try this out for yourselves. The green here did not stamp as good on the black, but look how it worked on the white. Like, I'm not complaining. I'm probably not going to stamp that green on black anyways, so that's okay. Now next up, we're using this really pretty coral shade. Later I'm going to tell you also the names of all the polishes and stuff. And all the markers that I'm using are from a set that is called the Cosmic. And you can find those on Walmart.com. You'll probably find them in stores as well. So here I'm using some purples, and also using those to stamp on different colors as well. And all of them are working really nicely. And here's orange lastly, and I also, you'll see that red swatch on the end there of the polish. I end up not stamping anything on the red, but I meant to do the black on the red, so disregard that little red. But look how vibrant that orange is. I am shocked. So once again, that's the Wet n Wild by itself. It dried really quickly. I didn't work fast enough. My fault. Sharpie in black. Look how opaque that is, you guys. And you can get Sharpie markers $1 a pop too. So, and LA Colors pink bubbles nail polish. All these LA Colors polishes $1 unless I mention otherwise. Look how vibrant they are. The yellow is Sally Hansen's Mellow Yellow with yellow Sharpie. Can you believe that, you guys? Look at that. The green is LA Colors Mint Nail Polish. Once again, $1. And look at those. And that is Fun in the Sun from LA Colors with a purple Sharpie there. Yes. Can you believe this? I'm totally shocked. There it is again. And the next shade we're using, this is a $2 LA Colors polish, the Color Last polish in Keepsake, and with a coral Sharpie. If you don't own the Cosmic Sharpies, you need them. This is Clean Colors Tangerine Burst, and I'm really shocked with how this one's stamped. And that is what those look like. Once again, I know this is a little bit lengthy of a video, but I had to share this with you guys. I wanted to show you that you don't only have to use them with white and black or on their own, but the best way to use them and to get the most vibrant stamps is to pair them with light colored nail polishes. I had to share this with you guys. I hope you found the video helpful, found a lot of insight and information in it, and I thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more nail videos. And I also want to say thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, and always check the description box for additional links. And stay tuned for lots more nail looks. I have been so inspired lately and loving the long nails. Please stay tuned for more videos. Don't bring the tingle.